Evening everyone. This is RMS CET 2020. We are going to see the solution. Okay. This is RMS CET 2020. So I have done the solution of science, social science. These two subjects I have done, and Hindi solution will be not provided. Okay. Only answer key will be provided in the form of PDF or text in the Telegram group. So now we are going to talk the solutions of English. Okay. We are going to talk the solutions of English and I will give answer key also. Okay then, let's start. So instructions are given. Okay. So this is our English paper. And we have the passage in the first question. So let us read the passage first and after that we will attempt the questions. So the passage is, this is about Alfred Hitchcock. So Alfred Hitchcock was a man with vivid imagination, strong creative skills, and a passion for life. With his unique style and God-gifted wit, he produced and directed some of the most thrilling films that had the audience almost swooning with fright and falling off their seats with laughter. Alfred Hitchcock was greatly influenced by American films and magazines. At the age of 20, he took up a job at the office of Paramount Studio London. Using imagination, talent and dedication, he made each of his endeavors a success. He took great pleasure in working in the studio and often worked all 7 days of a week. He moved to USA in 1939 and got his American citizenship in 1955. Okay. Next page, let us read. Here, he produced many more films, and hosted a weekly television show. No matter from where his ideas came, whether a magazine article or a mystery novel or incident, his films had the typical Hitchcock touch, where the agony of suspense was relieved by interludes of laughter. Hitchcock was knighted in 1980. So let us see the questions now. Choose the right answer from the options given for each question. So 101 question is, what qualities helped Hitchcock achieve success? Okay. So the answer is his imagination, talent and dedication. Next, 102. Alfred Hitchcock is famous as a film producer. Next one. What did the typical Hitchcock style of the filmmaking include? So it included suspense and humor. What did Alfred Hitchcock do in the United States? So in the United States, he produced films and hosted a weekly television show. Next one, what does the word swooning mean? Swooning meaning is nothing but to fainting. Okay. Next one. So here passage 5 questions are asked. Okay, passage questions we have done. So now let's move ahead to the fill in the blanks with appropriate option. These are the very important questions and these are related to tenses. Okay, these are related to tenses. See here, man dash on Mars someday. Here the answer will be A. Man will land on Mars someday. I am not free this evening. I dash. So I dash on my science project. So for this answer will be I am working. I am working on my science project this evening. One boy is asking here in this 108 question, why are you turning on the radio? The other boy replied, I dash to the news. So here the answer would be will listen. I will listen to the news. Next one, 109. Hurry up, madam dash be annoyed if we are late. So there is a structure in grammar which says that, like, if we have conditional sentences, okay, conditional sentence, okay, we have conditional sentences. So in the conditional sentences, generally there are two clauses. Okay, so these clauses, what will do means, like, one if clause will be there and one another clause will be there. So this if one clause, what it will do means, it will be always followed in present tense, if plus simple present tense. Okay, if only it is conditional sentence. But see here, if we are late, so here what is the verb means, are is the verb, only are is the verb. So it is in simple present, we can say easily, because be form of verb is there. So here simple present is used. And besides that, I want to say one thing. If in the sentence, if plus simple present tense will come, then in the next clause, like this, madam will be annoyed. In that one, what we will be use means, we will always use the simple future tense. Okay, simple future. So at that time, wait, I will erase all these. Okay, at that time, here madam dash be annoyed. This one is if one clause. If we are late is if clause, and madam dash be annoyed is one clause. So here answer will be will, A option. This is very important rule in English grammar. Okay, 1/10 one, answer is B. Here there is verb. We will ring you after we dash back. Okay, here R will come. Next one, 111. Here we should do voice questions will be started from here. What is there means, see me in the 111. After driving Professor Kumar to the museum, she dropped him at his hotel. So the answer of this will be, after being driven to the museum, Professor Kumar was dropped at his hotel. Okay, this is the answer. This one next. Who is creating this mess? Okay. Who is creating this mess? Wait. This answer will be D. Okay, D. 112 D. By whom is this mess being created? Okay. So 112 answer is D. By whom is this mess being created? So we are seeing voice questions. We are seeing which questions? Voice questions. Next, 113. They greet me cheerfully every morning. So the answer of 113 would be B. I am greeted cheerfully by them every morning. These are very genuine answers and straight from the horse's mouth. 114. Answer is B. The instructions were being read out by the invigilator. Next one, 115. You should open the wine about 3 hours before you use it. So the answer of this would be D. Wine should be opened about 3 hours before it is used. Next one, their narration questions. Okay, narration questions. So what is to be done means basically we should change indirect to direct or direct to indirect. Okay, next see 116 question is the first narration question. See here, the principal said Allah is one. The Holy Prophet Muhammad PBUH is his last prophet. So the answer of 116 is B. The principal said that Allah is one and that the Holy Prophet Muhammad PBUH is his last moment. Here we have not changed the tense because here a fact is being said. Okay, fact. When we will say fact in the reported speech, this is the reported speech which is in the inverted comma. Okay, then at that time we will only not change the tense of the reported speech, and we that conjunction will be add in the middle. Okay, so English paper was overall tough only, but according to me it is somewhat easy. Everyone should be able to qualify in it. Next one, 117 A answer. He said that he would get up early in the morning. Here so many confusions are there in the English answer because the options are also closed and there is not given any correct answer. Okay, so be careful while attempting these questions. The traveler said, "Can you show me the way to the nearest inn?" This one is very confusing, so answer is C. I know, even though here question is asked, requested is there in my answer, but I want to say one thing, that always when question will be asked in the yes no type questions, yes no answer type questions, and then at that time we will always use if or whether, not that weather forecast, weather in the English WHETHER. Okay, if or whether we will use as a conjunction. But see here in the A option, if I show you, asked is there, here it is very fine, but here conjunction also came, and would he show the, here question is also, but in the indirect speech we never ever ask questions. Indirect speech only simple sentence will be there, questions are not asked. So answer would be C. I know requested it will not be there, asked will be there. There might be some more correction I like to do. Next one, the teacher often says to me, if you don't work hard, you will fail. This is a fact. Okay, this is a fact. So our answer will be option number B. This one was also tricky because see here we know that if will conjunction will be, will modal verb will be there in the direct speech, so that time in the indirect speech it would change into WOULD. Would. It will change into would, but here would is not there in any of the options. So should go with the nearest option. The answer. Next one, he said, what is your problem? So answer of this question would be 121. 120 is A. He asked me what my problem was. Okay. See the next part. 4 meanings each for the underlined phrases in the sentences below are given. Choose the one with correct meaning. Okay. So here somewhat phrasal verbs are there and idioms also there. See here. Rapid industrialization has taken its toll. On the environment. That is not necessary. On the environment only. So 121 answer will be has damage. Okay, has damage. Take its toll means to damage. Okay. See next one. You will have a difficult time, but I will see you through. So what is the answer of 121? So answer of 122, not 121. Okay, 122 is C. Will support and help you till the end. Okay, C is the answer. Next one. Now don't beat around the bush. Come to the point. 123 answer is A. Delay in approaching the matter. It means that some person is talking and he is not coming to the point. On the point he is not coming. He is gathering some other things. Okay, talking unnecessary things. But here in the C option, do unnecessary things. We are not doing, we are talking. Okay. So our answer will be delay in approaching the matter. It seems the old man is losing his mind. He behaves strangely. So with the help of sentence also we can say judge the meaning of this losing the mind. Means become mad. Okay. Next one, don't lose heart just because you have failed in your first attempt. Lose heart means become sad and hopeless. Now your vocabulary starts and see here. Find the correctly spelt word. So the correctly spelt word for 126 would be C, parallelogram. In the mathematics we study this parallelogram. 127 answer is A. 128 answer is also A. 129 answer is also A only, and 130 answer is C. Okay, you read this. I will wait. After checking all the answer key, what you do means in the Telegram I will send poll and tell your marks, those who have given the yesterday's exam. Choose the appropriate synonym for each of the following words below. So what is them? So 131 answer is B, cultivate. Okay. Next one. 132 answer is C, aggressively. 133 answer is A, peppy. 134 answer is D, affable. 135 answer is D, disordered. 136 one. Here antonyms we should choose. 136 D. 137 sinister meaning is good, luck. Provoke. 138 answer is D, soothe, calm. Provoke means calm. Antonym. Provoke means not calm and soothe means calm. Dearth, abundance. Dearth, abundance. Options are too close. Autonomy. Autonomy answer is dependence. Next one, this is the closed test. We say in the English, we call it closed test. Very easy. Okay, we generate say it passage only. Okay, the Constitution of India is one dash the world's longest dash constitutions with 395 articles and 12 schedules. It was passed dash 26 November 1949 by dash Constituent Assembly and dash fully applicable since 26 January 1950. So the first 141 answer is C. Of 142 answer is B. Written. 143 answer is D. On. 144 answer is D. The. Okay. The. 145 answer is 145 answer is B. Next one. These are phrasal verbs. Okay. Phrasal verbs are generally asked in RIMC also. 146 B. 147 B. I am saying the answer key only. You just see the paper I am showing. 148 B. 149 C. 150 A. So here we have finished our English paper also. English answer key. English answer key. So for more updates, please join our Telegram channel. Go to the Telegram and type Defense CDN. Continue only. Okay, if you will type, you will get our Telegram channel and join the channel so that you will be not missing the daily updates and contents. Okay, then take care. Bye. Please send your score in the Telegram discussion group.